Hey there everybody, we have an unboxing to do today. This just arrived from Bud K. Let's get it open and see what we got. And here it is outside of the box. Custom steel series, Timberwolf handcrafted quality knives. Basically says the same thing on this side. Let's get it open. Alright, there it is. Okay, looks like it has some plastic on there. Looks like a really nice thick leather sheath. Nice thick like double wilting in there. And it's got a big like 4-inch built loop on it at least. It's got, you can see there's like scale liners in there, in kind of like yellow. And you can see it's pretty thick. But it's got 3 nice rivets there, double stitching. It's got a snap closure here, which goes over the finger guard. And let me see if I can get on there. Look at those pins. There's like 3 brass pins with like little like blue dots around the outside edge. Kind of like an orange dot in the center. Very nice looking. And then you can see there's like cutouts here in the wood for where your fingers go. And then this stops your hand from sliding off the back. Really nice. Alright. There's the knife. And let's get this plastic off. And there it is, straight out of the box. It's got a black finish on it to protect the blade. But it is 3CR13 MOV stainless steel, I believe it is, so it probably doesn't need the coating because it's already stainless, but it has it regardless. That says stainless steel China. It's got a nice thumb ramp on here, or at least some jimping there for your thumb. And this side says Timberwolf. It's got a nice big finger guard on it, about a 1/4 inch thick. And then the stock of the steel for this is about a 1/4 inch thick. So it's quite a hefty blade. It looks like it comes to a needle sharp point, but the camera doesn't really want to focus on that. It's like Bowie style blade. It's got a little bit of a Bowie here, a blood groove. It's got a false edge, kind of swedge on the top. It's not sharp, but like most knives. Feels like it's about 90 degrees, but it's a little smooth. Like the spine is at 90 degrees, but I don't know if that would strike a fire steel because that black coating makes it a little bit smooth. If you wore it off, I think it would be just fine. And then right here in this kind of finger choil, where you can choke up, you might need to wear off some of that black there, that paint, to get it to strike a fire steel. But it's very thick. The handles are almost orange, with those gold kind of brass pins in it, 3 of them. I really like the finger cutouts. Seems like it fits really nice. That's a nice, comfortable fit. Okay, let's get some measurements on it. Okay, this knife is about 33 centimeters in length overall, and the blade is about 18 centimeters. That doesn't count like this little finger choil area. So you're looking at about 13, maybe just slightly over 13 inches overall. That looks to be about a 7-inch blade, maybe just slightly over, if you counted up the belly there. Okay, let's do a paper cut test. This is straight out of the box. Got some printer paper here. Pretty sharp. Definitely paper cutting sharp. Right out of the box. Okay, you might remember this knife. I recently reviewed it. It's basically the exact same knife with a titanium coating. It's made by Timberwolf, and this is the Extreme Tactical Bowie Knife. Very thick handle. It's really nice. And it's made out of 3CR13 MOV steel. Exact identical sheath. Excellent sheath. This is really thick, real nice. Well, the difference is this one has the brass pins, no lanyard holes. It has the kind of orange wood. I don't know if this is zebra wood or exactly what this wood is, but it seems very nice. And it has the black kind of powder coat on it. And it's made by Timberwolf also. This one's called the Extreme Traditional Bowie Knife. That's what it is, Extreme Traditional. So we got Extreme Tactical and Extreme Traditional. And I think this one goes for about $39 on Bud-K, and this one goes for about $34.95 on Bud-K. And they're pretty much identical in so many ways. It's just, if you're more of a tactical person, this might be the option you want. And if you're more of a bushcrafter and you want to go the traditional route, you might want to go with the wood one. But you can see they're not absolutely perfect. See that shows there? There's a little tiny bit of gapping in between the scales. But as far as I know, and they seem to appear that they are truly full tang, they're heavy too. I bet you it's over a pound. It's got some weight. This one feels like it might be a touch heavier. But they're close. They're similar. And 1/4 inch thick stock. Like the fit and finish is not perfect, but it's pretty good. I think they're definitely worth the money. Well, there you have it. They both arrive pretty sharp. They're more than paper cutting sharp. You might cut yourself on them because they're near Mora knife sharp. And that's pretty cool. Who wants a dull knife? But there you have it. I got it at Bud-K. It is the Custom Steel series. It's the Timberwolf Extreme Traditional Bowie Knife. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is Joe Doomsday signing out.